Yeah, that's right, Kelly. And the monthly figures were basically flat because the previous 2 months were revised significantly higher, but sales of newly built homes beat expectations by a lot, up 41.5% year over year nationally to the highest pace since 2006. Sales strongest in the Northeast and the Midwest, but of course up everywhere. The median price of a newly built home continues to rise, up 2.5% year over year to $330,600. Now, the big issue, though, is falling inventory, now down to a 3.3-month supply. That's down from 5.5-month supply in October of last year. The home builders are facing headwinds from a lack of land and labor, and material costs have been rising as well as supply chains slow due to COVID. All of that is showing up in a really interesting stat buried deep in this report. The number of homes that were sold in October but hadn't even been started yet, up 67% year over year. That huge backlog is going to mean slower delivery times, and that will hit the builders' bottom lines in earnings because they don't get the full payment until they deliver the full home. Kelly?
Oh, that's a good point. The timing could be off, although it still reflects such strong demand, like you said. Diana, stay right there. Let's also bring George Ratu into this conversation. He's a senior economist for Realtor.com. George, what are the superlatives that you're watching as it regards the housing market and trying to figure out just how long this momentum is going to last?
Kelly, excellent question. And the truth is, it seems that housing so far, as we knock on the door of winter, is still in the throes of summer heat. What we're seeing really on the inventory side, demand continues very strongly, fueled by historic low mortgage rates, fueled by savings. Think about all the people that have really worked from home for the past 8 months. They've been able to save a lot of money from commute, from everything from dry cleaning and other bills. A lot of that is translating into a higher purchasing power, and we're absolutely seeing that. We're seeing that on the existing side. We're seeing that on the new side. Inventory is at record lows across both spectrum of the market. And for me, when I look at prices, that's where I see a lot of heat, right? Prices for new as well as existing. Realtor.com's listing prices just this last week, coming into the Thanksgiving week, up over 13%. Clearly, buyers are continuing to look for solution to this social distancing, remote work world.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.